helpful for you to know a little bit about the process a journal has to go through to get published. So when I write a manuscript, a research paper, and I submit it to a journal, there's a lead editor at that journal. They get it, and they decide who they want to send it to for review. And they get sent to what's called blind review. And so they take all my identifiable information off of it, my name is not on it, and it gets sent to 2 or 3 other scholars in the field who are experts on that topic. And then those scholars basically tear it apart. And they give feedback back to the lead editor with a recommendation of whether to publish or not publish, or changes that could be made. And then that editor makes the final decision. And so this is what we call blind peer review. Right? The peers are the other experts in the field, and the blind part means that the reviewers who are marking it up, they don't know who wrote it. And so in theory, this cuts out some favoritism. It helps it become a more meritocratic system. And other books, they don't go through this process, right? So this is also part of why journal articles really are kind of the standard. They go through this blind peer review process. And it's quite rigorous, and most often you get a rejection. Or sometimes you get what they call a revise and resubmit. And that's usually like a favorable outcome, but it does mean you have a bunch more work to do because you gotta go and you gotta make a bunch of changes to improve the article. And so every time you see an article published in one of these journals, it's gone through this rigorous blind peer review process. And that helps us be able to trust what we're reading